Okay, this is how you change the score for an individual student. So all of the team-based assignments are set up as group assignments. So all you need to do is go into your assignments and select the assignment that you want to make the change for. So this is basically for students that have failed to show up to class or that have contributed 0 to the assignment. So once you get to that assignment, go ahead and click on Edit and then scroll down and you should see submission type is good, attempts, plagiarism review, fine, group assignment right here. This check box means that one grade that you assign for the entire team, all of those individuals will receive that. If you want to assign a grade to a student individually, you select this box and then you go down, make sure you hit save, okay? Now, typically what I do to save time is I will grade all of the teams first with the group assignment box checked, and then when I go back and click that box, that will allow me to individually go into the gradebook and change that individual student's grade. So make sure you do that after you've graded everyone else, because otherwise you're going to have to be inputting the scores individually, okay? And that's how you do it.